Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about variables, not functions, and GUIs. So variables and GUIs, that's what we're going to be talking about today. This is a scripting video, but it is very basic. So this is pretty much from people from scratch. So basically, guys, what a script is it's like a thing you write in that makes the thing do something. So if I wrote a command in a script that said, let's name this part. So let's name it YouTube red plop. Okay, so if we could do a command like make YouTube red plop red, but you wouldn't just say make it red. I mean, cause look, watch, make YouTube red block. Wait, shoot red plop red. Yeah, error in script equals expected near YouTube plopper. So yeah, and then that it just doesn't work, and this is not a script. This is just an output bar. Anyway, just forget what I did there. But anyway, so basically, we're gonna try and make a GUI today. And if you don't know what a GUI is, I think I have an example. It's like one of those things that's like a button on your screen or something. You know, you can enter whatever you want here. I was trying to make a Twitter code button, but that didn't work. So yeah. Sorry, 1 second. And then we can stop this and can insert. Actually, no. Go to the right where it says Explore. And if you don't have Explorer or Properties right here, just go to View, and then you'll have Explorer and Properties, and just select them. So now that you have those over there, go back home, and then you're going to go to Starter GUI, you're going to click on it once, then you're going to right-click it, and then you're going to press, or you're going to go over Insert Object, and then you're going to go over here, and then from Spring Constraint, you're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And you'll most likely see Script. So you're going to click Script, and it's going to give you a script that says print hello world. Basically, that just puts it in the output. It basically just puts hello world, like I'll show you. Hello world, it just does that. That's all it does. It's used for testing stuff. Now you can either delete this or you can keep it. I'm going to delete it because it just takes up more space and it's more ultimately confusing. So I already created a few screen GUIs, right? So we're gonna use that for reference in case I get anything wrong. So yeah, as you can see, that's how long the script's gonna be. Let's start with. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, sorry, I did something completely wrong. I'm so sorry. Okay. So, no, you have to insert a local script into Starter GUI. So, click on Starter GUI, go over Insert Object, and go to, where is it? Oh, local script. So, I'm sorry, insert a local script into Starter GUI because that's just how it works. So now we're gonna delete print hello world, and you can just go ahead and delete your script that you put in. So anyway, keep the local script, and we're gonna make a screen GUI. Now I'll just show you for reference first. So we're gonna go in Starter GUI and then press Insert, or go over Insert, and then you're gonna go over, where is it? Screen GUI. Where's screen GUI? Am I, like, literally passing over it? Oh, there. Okay, so now that you have screen GUI here, I'm just explaining how this works to you, so you can see it visually and understand it more. So, in Starter GUI, you have to put every GUI in Starter GUI for it to work, I'm pretty sure. Well, at least every GUI you're going to start in the game. So, you have to put a screen GUI inside Starter GUI. That makes it so you can you can order displays, like see display order, and you just have, and then you have to put it inside starter GUI. So once you have a screen GUI, you're gonna insert a frame. And if you didn't see something appeared here, this is now a screen GUI. So how you would create a like a GUI is you put screen GUI inside starter GUI, and then you put frame inside screen GUI, and then inside frame you're gonna put text label. That doesn't look like it's inside frame, but it is. It's just, it's too big. So we're gonna lower the size of that. Go to size. Oh, and by the way, this is kind of weird. So let's say you wanted to lower the size. You'd think if it's at 200, you want to put 100 because that lowers the size, right? I mean, yeah, it lowers the size. Never mind, I got mixed up for something. Okay, so anyway, now you can see that it's in frame. Now that it is in frame, we are going to change the text of the label, and we're gonna put hello YouTube tutorial. Wait, I spelled that completely wrong. Tutorial LMAO keck. Okay, so as you can see, it went out of the text box. We're gonna have to make the text box bigger or the text smaller. For now, so we're just gonna go ahead and delete that, and we're gonna go to our local script. Oh wait, sorry, wrong local script. And we're gonna create a screen GUI using local script. So how would we go about doing this? Well, this is how you create things basically. I could create like a little block and then place it in the world. So, but anyway, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna create a screen GUI. So, what should we call the screen GUI? Well, since I have a Game Informer magazine right here, why not name it Game Informer? Game Inform. Wait, no, wait. Oh yeah, we have to put local first because it's a keyboard. Game Informer equals. Oh yeah, instance dot new screen GUI. Okay, so basically what this does is since this screen GUI is going to be in starter GUI and it's local, which means it's only to the player that's watching it. And then you have Game Informer, which is a variable. So basically what a variable is let's say, actually let's delete this. Okay, so variable is let's say blocks equals 10. Does that work? Yeah, that works. What's my warning? Oh, okay, wait, never mind. Sorry, that's in the different script. Okay, never mind. So blocks equals, actually, let's put a really long number so you'll understand why we use variables. So, as you can see now, if I say print, and then I do not put in quotations, do not put blocks in quotations, just put blocks. And, right here, we're just saying blocks is a placeholder for this long number and string of 9s. And then if you say print blocks, it's going to print 99999999999, except it's too long of a number for the game to print for the script engine, so it just says 1E plus 097. Anyway, if you delete a lot of them, it might print. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. So basically, if you say print blocks, it's gonna put 99999. But if I put quotations around it, it's gonna think, oh, I should literally print the word blocks. But if I don't put quotations around it, it thinks, oh, well, we're gonna print a variable since it doesn't have quotations around it. Let me find the variable. Oh, look, here it is. Print what? This. Okay, we're printing this, but it all does that in a fraction of a second, so yeah. Oh, anyway, that's what a variable is. It's like a placeholder for anything. You can even do, you can make it text too. You can put quotations and then put KSDFJKL semicolon hello, I'm bored. And then if I press play, then it'll print that. One thing to note is that when you do variables, you cannot put spaces. It messes up the whole thing. It makes the computer confused, and it ultimately just doesn't work as a command. I'll show you. See, I put a space in between both variables, and it's expecting an equal sign, and it's not printing. So you can't have a space in a variable, but basically, you put a space and then equals and then space and then whatever you want to make the variable. So enough with that. So you probably understand it by now. If not, I'm really sorry. I tried my best explaining it. So now we're going to do local. Let's call it more professional. The screen GUI more professional name. So starting tutorial screen GUI 1 equals instance dot new screen GUI. So yeah, there. So we have our screen GUI now, because like I said, local means it's only for the player on the screen who's watching it. Starting tutorial screen GUI 1 is the name of our screen GUI. So we can distinguish other screen GUIs from other screen GUIs. You're probably wondering, why do we have to make it a variable? Why can't we just put in a screen GUI? Well, what if I said this, and let's say the command had no, let's say Roblox pretended there was no such thing as variables. If I said 2 instances.new and then screen GUIs, and one was red and one was blue, then how would I say what screen GUI I'd want? There's nothing unique to identify it by, and you can't identify it by its colors because that's not a command. And in the long term, it would just be really much harder. So we have to ultimately use variables. So that variable is too long, I realize. So let's just call it hat equals instance dot new screen GUI. Oh yeah, and then make sure you're a fast typer. Well, you don't have to be, but like it's better. Anyway, so now we have it. But the game doesn't know where to put it inside Explorer. It's basically, if I put this, it's gonna say, what? Should I put it in workspace? Should I put it in camera? Should I put it in terrain? Should I put it in this block? Should I put it players, lightning, rocket, whatever, etc., etc. It goes on and on. So it doesn't know where to put this, so it's not going to put it anywhere. I think it might put it in server storage, just because I'm not sure of that yet. Let's see. No, it does. Yeah, it doesn't put it in server storage. So yeah, it doesn't really just put it anywhere. I think it just puts it in, like, I don't even know where it puts it. Okay, so now we have to give it a parent, which, see how this is, see how these two are inside this? That means starter GUI's childs are local script and local script. I know that sounds like childish. Okay, that was real bad. Anyway, it sounds weird, but local script's parent is starter GUI because it's inside starter GUI, and that came out wrong too. Okay, let me just stop. So basically, starter GUI's children are local script and local script and local script and local script's parent. Shoot, wait, I didn't do that. Local scripts and local script's parent. These child's parent is starter GUI. So, like, camera is workspace's child, terrain is workspace's child, YouTube red plop is workspace's child. You're probably wondering what workspace is too. Well, workspace is the place where you see everything in the 3D world. So let's say I put a GUI inside workspace. Since a GUI isn't 3D and it's 2D, like on your screen, it wouldn't make any sense. It would become completely wrong and it wouldn't even put anything. Anyway, enough about explaining. I'm sorry I'm taking way too long. So now let's go back to our script and we'll type in script. Wait, hat dot parent. Basically, we're suggesting its parent, and then we're assigning it a new parent by putting the equals, and then what parent should we put it in? Exactly, we should put it in starter GUI over here. Or wait, no, I mean, we should put it in starter GUI over here. Sorry, I'm confusing myself. And because GUIs only work in starter GUI, so, well, that's just a basic overview. So, now we're going to do hat.parent equals script.parent. Now this is way easier than going game.starter GUI. In the long run, it's going to be easier. And, anyway, so basically, oh yeah, and make sure to put parent with a capital P. Because that, if you don't have capitals, it, like, really messes up the command. So now, from now on, I'm just going to say straight whatever I want. So, now hat.parent equals script.parent. When you say script, it suggests the script that I'm in right now, which is, which script.parent, because starter GUI's parent is starter GUI, then it's putting screen GUI's parent as starter GUI's parent. I mean, starter GUI. So now, it knows where to put it. So if we press play, it's probably going to put it in starter GUI. No, it didn't for some reason. Let's look. Okay, so we put local holder equals instance.new screen GUI, and then holder.parent equals script.parent. Yeah, that's what we did. Okay, and then let's see. Why didn't that work? Maybe it did work. Okay, and then now we can't really customize the screen GUI because it's just a placeholder, so we can't customize its color because it doesn't have a color property. So now we're going to put local. We're making a frame, so I'm wondering what I should name it. How about local shirt, because hat. Instance dot new and frame. So then shirt dot parent. Wait, shirt.parent equals, sorry, I'm blanking. Shirt.parent equals, hat. Because hat is the screen GUI and frame goes in the screen GUI as I showed you earlier. So, now we can change the frame's color, but first I want to test it just in case I'm doing something wrong. Oh yeah, I have to put its position and, its thing. Sorry. Okay, so, oh yeah. So now we're going to say shirt.position equals udim2.new. Now udim2 is basically just a new position, a new size, and the reason it's 2 is because this GUI is two-dimensional. So it equals udim2.new, and then I put its coordinates, not in quotations. That would mess it up. So I'll say 0, 50, 0, 50. Wait, shoot, 50. And shirt dot size equals extra small. Just kidding. What should the size be? Oh yeah, I have to put udim2 dot new, and how about just 100? No, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay, I'm fine with that. So, let's see if it works now. Okay, that is way too large. Luckily, we know that worked. Okay, that was way too big. So, let's add a 0 at the end. 0, 0, and 0. Okay, why isn't this working? Wait. What if I put 1,000? 1,000. Okay, wait, my logic is off. Hold on. I'm confusing myself. Let's just put 50, no wait, 0, 50, 0, 50. And let's test it. Oh wait, I forgot the parenthesis. Parenthesis. Okay, sorry. Now we're gonna press play, and now it's right here. It's this one, not this one or this one, it's this one. It's a frame! Congratulations! You can only change its color. It does not display text. Only a text label, text button, or text image does that. Text button. So, now that we have these, the position of it, because it looks boring and gray and ununique, let's change the color of it. So, we're gonna say shirt dot, I think it's background color 3 equals brick color dot new, and then, I think I can do royal purple. And then, let's see. Yes, press play. Players the bad argument. Background color 3 expected? What? Wait, okay. I didn't change the color in this one, so I'm a bit unfamiliar. Let's stop this and then insert a, frame. Where's the frame? Okay. Now let's look at the properties of frame, because that was a property of frame, which is look, see, background color 3, what's wrong? I'm confused. Okay, hold on. Let me try and solve this. Okay, maybe 255, 255, 255. Does that work? No, it doesn't work. Huh. Do I just do color 3? Color 3. Color 3 is not about what? What? I'm confused. Wait. What? Look, see, it says background color 3, border color 3. See, when I put background color 3, it says, basically it just says, it says it's color 3. So I put color 3 and that says color 3 is not valid. So, like, what? 0, 0, 0? No, color 3 is not valid. Yeah, I know it's brick color dot new right here, I think. And shirt dot color. How about border color? Let's try border color. Yeah, okay. Players.player1.player.local-script 8. Bad argument to line number 3. I think to border color 3. Color 3 was expected, and oh my gosh, I didn't read that right. I'm so sorry. Okay, it's color 3. Is that what it is? What the heck? Okay, let's try that. Wait, I put border color in accident. Background color. Background color, let's try that. Hey, it worked! For some reason I saw brick color in another video. I'm so sorry. I'm kind of a beginner too, so, I might get a bunch of stuff wrong. I'm just going along with it myself. But I'm just trying to help other people with this, really. So yeah, we changed the thing, and now if you want text, we're going to put local, oh yeah, don't forget to put local at the beginning of everything. Let's say local, shoes equals instance dot new text button. Okay, now, so we have a text button. Now we have to give it a parent, right? I mean, so shoes dot parent equals shirt. Okay, and now we're going to edit the text. So shoes dot text equals, and let's make a variable for the text. So variables, and basically, why would I put this? Wouldn't it mess up the script because it's just a word, a few dashes? Well, if you put 2 dashes before anything, then it becomes like a comment. So it's just like a little note for like myself or someone else who uses this. So let's we're just gonna say a bunch of variables. So shoe text equals Roblox is great, mate. I rate 8 out of 8. No hate. No, shoot, no parentheses. Okay, so shoe.text equals shoe text. Okay, so now what I'm referencing here is, because I didn't put quotations around it, it's gonna think it's a variable. So it's going to search for a variable to input the text in. So it's saying, nope, this is not a variable. Well, no, this is not a variable. No, none of this is a variable. No, no, no. And then it says, oh wait, this is a variable. So since it's the variable shoe text, let's search for the variable shoe text. Hey, we're in luck. This is shoe text. And then let's see what shoe text equals. So basically, if it equals Roblox is great, mate, I rate 8 out of 8, no hate, then basically what it's saying is, oh, this equals that. But the reason we're creating variables is because I don't want to type this every time I want to use it. So I'm just going to say shoe text. So it's kind of a shortcut, I guess. So now that we have that, shoe.text equals shoe text, and let's see. Now I don't know all the properties of a text button, so I'm gonna insert a text button and then look at it. So text color 3, yeah, text color 3. What's white? And then just go all the way to the top. Or I guess we could create like a tropical color, maybe. Yeah, let's create a tropical color. So that's 025542. Shoe dot text color 3 equals color 3 dot new 025542. Okay, and now we have a nice green color for this. Oh, shoes. What's shoes? There. Let's see. Oh, well, I think I forgot to position it, but yeah, I forgot to position it. Anyway, let's position it. Actually, I don't need to position it. You already saw what it was. Basically, also, there's the... Basically, this is a text button, so, just in case you guys were, like, wondering, well, what happens when I click something and then it makes me teleport somewhere, you know, like, and it has text on it? That's a text button. Basically, you put text on it, and then you click it, and it's a button. And then you can say when you click it, do whatever you want, and you can manipulate it really well. And that's the way it works. So, like, if you ever seen famous games and you wonder how, that's how. So, I think this is good now, and we're not going to talk about functions because I'm just saving that for another video. So if you enjoyed that video, subscribe, and make sure to leave a like. And if you didn't like it, if you thought I messed up too much, I'm sorry. And if you did like it, but you don't feel like going to click that subscribe button, just click it. It really helps me. I'll keep making videos, so you can keep watching tutorials. So, anyway, I hope you all had a good time. I hope you all had, like, a helpful source now, and I'll see you guys later.